Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subby, hey girl, hey. I hope that you guys are doing great. Today is Saturday morning and this video is going pretty early. So let's start working. I have a lot of catching up to do. So let me get my pages. Today I'm going to use a kit from Plan with Michelle. If you don't know Michelle, she has a channel here on YouTube and she also has her own website and it's just planwithmichelle.com. You'll find the link below in my information in the information box. If you use Mimi15, you'll get 15% off your order except for the mystery kits and for the $2 Tuesdays. But everything else, you can get the discount and you'll get my little freebie. Do you want to see it? It's super cute. Let me show you. I have it here. Look at this cutie. This is a freebie that you're gonna receive if you use my code Mimi15. Super cute. Should we use it today? No, I want to keep it. I have two of them, but I don't know. I just don't want to use them. All right, so this is part of the mystery kit from January, and we're gonna use that. This I already used that, and I think I'm gonna use some of this black boxes. Okay, let's flip this over. Now this planner that I'm using, you guys, is this is the Colorful Leopard, which is aligned vertical. I've been using this planner since July 2021 because this is an 18-month planner. Wait. All right. So let me see what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna put this here first. Okay, it's pretty. Now I have this new day dots from Erin Condren. I have 3 different colors here. Should we use this? Maybe the gold ones. Yes. Let's see, these dots are a little bit big. 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna use washi across here like I usually do. Let me see. Okay, so the weekend banner is gonna go here. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this little one. Okay, and you good? Yeah. I'm gonna cut you out of my video. Don't worry about it. Okay. I was just being rude to my husband. I told him I was gonna cut him off the video, so because he was making too much noise. Okay. So now let's see. I want some boxes and deco here. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna change the month here. Oh, but I do because I have Feb there and here. No? Okay, so we need something to cover this. Okay. I could have covered the back. Oh, you know what? I could have covered that with some of this washi. But we're good, we're good. Okay, now I need boxes here. So, here. This one's. All right, my box is there, and then I'm gonna add some deco here. There we go. And this sheet right here has some stars, little stars. So I'm gonna add them. Let's see, where are we gonna add them? There. Let's see what we're gonna do. I wanna use these headers here. This is from Simply Gilded. Let's see what tasks are here. All right, so we have home, we have work, meal plan, bill dues, next week, this week, to pay, to buy, goals, urgent. I mean, there's so many. Let's see what I'm gonna use. I don't think I'm gonna use all of this. So let's see. Okay, so these 3 boxes are just gonna, well, this one is functional, but these ones are not. Let me fix this. It's a little crooked. All right. Oh, this box is so pretty. I like this box. Okay. So now I need something here. Okay, so next week, and then to pay, it's gonna go on Monday. Oh, I need a box. here. To buy is gonna go here on this one. You know what? I'm gonna be short one box. No, I'm not. Because I can use this. Do you guys like what is it called? The no white space planning? I love to watch those videos, but I feel like I don't have enough stickers. That's like a lot of stickers, but they look lovely. I love how that looks. I just yeah, I feel like I don't have enough, that I would have to purchase like a 7-page kit to fill the whole page, you know. Urgent to do. Okay, let's do, what's here? Bill do? No. Let's do this right here. There we go. And then I also think about, okay, how thick is the planner gonna get? How chunky? Which in my case, it doesn't really matter because I Frankenplan, so I would be taking the pages out anyways, you know? All right, now we need something up here. And I still want to use some of this dark boxes, but I think for now, I think it's too late now. Let's see. There we go. It's good. And then we'll do the same here. This deco is so pretty. Look at those brushes, makeup brushes. Oh my gosh. Too cute. I'm gonna do that here. Box. I don't know. I think this is a A5 kit. Let me lift this up. For some reason, I can't see. There we go. Now let's do that here. Now let's do this kit. This box. One, where is it? 1, 2, 3. So on the third. 1, 2, 3, right here. That. And the last one here. One, two, you know what, let's switch this up. There you go, better. Because otherwise I would have 2 tall here and 2 short ones here. I like that better. That's looking good. Okay, now up here, let's see. So cute. Love that. Well, I am loving this kit. It's looking mighty pretty. Oh, I hope I'm center. I don't even know. Okay. Okay, what else do we need? I feel like we need something here. But now the question is, do we want functional or do we want deco? Don't know. Okay, rewind. This is not gonna work. 1 second. I hate to waste the stickers. Oh. This is what we're gonna do. Now I have 2 choices. Do I? Okay. Well, better. There you go. Okay, friends, so I think I am good with this. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so I think this is exactly what I need for this week. Super pretty, but functional. So I have a lot of little boxes and a lot of space where I can write. So let me cut this washi here. I'm gonna add it here and I'm gonna add this one here. Oh, actually it's cut already. There you go. Now to cover the other side, I have to use 2 of this smaller washi. Because this one is not long enough. This is supposed to go here, but I'm gonna use it on the spine. There we go. All right, you guys, well, I hope that you enjoy this plan with me. It's gonna be a pretty quiet one because you know, the house is quiet, everyone's sleeping. And I just use these 2 headers from Simply Gilded. This one's and this one's. I know that with the lights, you're not gonna be able to see that well, but it's really pretty gold with black writing. And this mystery kit from Plan with Michelle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.